camera for computer vision in Ozobot Editor. First, connect your camera to your device. A USB document camera works well. In Ozobot Editor, open Devices, select Camera, and choose your camera from the list. Next, position the camera directly above your workspace and check the preview in the editor. Make sure the left and right match what students see on their desk. If not, rotate the paper or adjust the camera angle until it aligns. Once your camera is set up, add a print block and attach an LLM block. Make sure Camera is selected as the input source. Write a clear prompt like, "What color is the circle?" and choose your output type. Run the program and check the console to see the AI's response. With a clear setup and strong framing, students can turn camera input into meaningful AI output, bringing computer vision directly into their code. Explore how AI and coding work together in Ozobot Classroom.